All right, guys, welcome to another episode. We just had 1.5 inches, 2 inches of rain all day long. As soon as it stopped, we said, let's go down to the cypress swamp. And we're going to try to catch anything that swims today, just whatever. There's a fella here. He's already been catching bass, crappie, and so it looks like they're biting pretty good. There's a little bobber. She got a catfish and a bass, guys. She's whipping my butt. Definitely hold him up before you take him off so you don't lose it. I didn't get a picture of the catfish already, so. All right, guys, about a 12-inch largemouth. Hold it right there. It's a start anyway. Heck yeah. All right, Wilma with a little 1-pound channel cat.
Ay. Come on.
She's caught 4, I've caught 0. It's not my day, I guess. Alright. Man, I just had a really nice bite right here in front of me and then it quit. I mean, right in front of me. I got it! Oh my God! Big crappie! Whoa! On the bottom! Where the, what? He was on there that whole time and I didn't know. Look, he swallowed it. My gosh, swallowed the damn hook. He's 12 inches. Look at that. Look how thick it is. I don't think I can get the hook though. Well, guys, I was literally getting ready to consider driving away because it's been that. This is not what I expected at all, especially not using a red worm and a split shot. That's a 12-inch black crappie. Wasn't even using a bobber. That's the weird part. Just a weight and a hook. 1/8 split shot and a frickin' worm. Odd. And that had to be on the bottom. Had to be. Man, I can't believe it. I finally got you. I finally got Wilma. She's caught 4. She's caught 3 channel cats and a bass. None of them big, but now that's a little bit, that's pretty nice. Definitely an unexpected catch. Had no idea he was even still hooked. I felt him peck at it. And I thought it stopped. I just caught my first one after 2 hours. She's caught 4, but.
Oh yeah, what are you catching?
She caught 3 channel cats and a little bass. I caught a big crappie on accident.
Oh, did you?
I swear my worm was on the bottom too. That's weird.
Yeah.
worm in a split shot, and he bit it, and I said, man, he quit. And he had sat there with it in his mouth and swallowed it.
Yeah.
And I went to pull just to move it, and he was on there. It was a 12-inch crappie.
Pretty good crappie.
Yeah.
How big was the catfish?
They were all just little 1-pounders.
Oh yeah, did you save them?
No, no, there's days where I feel like cleaning them and days I don't. This is one I don't feel like messing with it.
Yeah.
We thought we had more rain than this, and it's usually really good right here after a real heavy rain, but it really didn't. It may have been an inch or so, but it wasn't.
Pretty nice little rain.
I think it's just because when I did, that water's coming out of there faster than you'd think by looking at it. It's pretty swift. And I think they're just feeding on stuff washing in. But half of these throws, I get big old balls of seaweed on me.
Oh yeah.
Got him. Big crappie. Holy cow, way bigger than the last one. Whoa. Oh my God. Look at that. See, he swallowed the hook too. They're not pulling. I thought I was in that seaweed again.
I'll take him if you don't want him.
I'll give him to you. Just let me get a picture of myself. Man, that is a, he's 14.
Maybe you'll catch me another one.
See, real deep.
Ain't that something?
That is a 14-inch crappie. Biggest one I've ever caught out of here. Holy cow.
I've seen some 2.5 pounders come out of here.
There's been a guy told me, he said he had one time, went from his wrist to his elbow.
Yeah.
And that's of course, he probably got bigger arms than me. Yeah, I'll give him to you. That's a hoss right there. He may not come off real easy anyway. It's down in his cranberries, so it's gonna be hard to get him out. I got those panfish pliers. Boy, I did not. I mean, on worms though, that's the weird part.
It don't hurt if you kill him. I'm gonna eat.
Okay.
She's moving in on you.
No, you stay over there. You done? You done? You're still beating me. Not quality wise, but numbers. Oh, that damn hook broke. Damn.
You got another one?
Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to show the non-bloody side. I do this to get pictures, even though I'm recording it. I get way better pictures. Guys, this crappie's probably 14 inches. I ain't gonna measure it, but I'm gonna, at least 13, but he may be about 14. That's a hoss. Caught him on a red wiggler and split shot. That's 2 of them.
Yeah,
My
maybe a
gosh.
couple more.
The thing was earlier, I kept getting picked at and they would steal
Here,
it.
did you get a picture?
Yeah, you can do that. You can see the screen. If you hold my hat, you can see what I mean?
Oh, he's a dandy.
Yeah. Man, that is a nice one. That was unexpected too. It's what made it worth coming, I guess. I tell you what, let's for sake of argument, let's measure this thing real quick. I'm gonna say at least 13.
Oh yeah.
It's probably 13. It could go 14.
Here,
though.
let me close his mouth.
Yeah.
Might get a little longer.
Then I'll go from he ain't gonna want to cooperate, is he? No, he's only 12 inches, boy. He's thick. 12 even.
Yeah.
12 even, but boy, he's football shaped though, isn't he?
Mm-hmm.
That's why I love October's coming up. That's my favorite month. Man. And see, I got that canoe. I can easily put in here in the canoe and bring me some minnows and bobber and move around.
I fished it with a boat. I never caught a few. Never have done good in here with a boat.
Huh.
But I ain't saying you can't.
Yeah.
You know.
I've only put in here one time, and that was in November. And I caught bass only, it seemed like. But the best I ever do down here is every time is right after a heavy rain. I don't know what it is. You got to find where these gullies wash into it, and I guess that has a lot of food in there coming in.
Moving water.
Yeah, that too. That water's probably still real hot, and it was a nice one. You gonna go set for a minute? Oh man, it ain't joking around, is it? Dang. They were sitting right there. Dang. There he is. Ooh, I had a bite. See, they're doing that same thing again, barely pecking at it. Got him. Big home. Oh my God. Holy crap. Oh, it's a drum. God, I thought that was a crappie. I about shit my pants. Now, if that would have been a crappie. Yeah, I seen that white and it threw me off. Hey, the bobber will work, I guess, though. You just gotta, boy, he came right out. I know you don't want him, do you?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'll eat a few of them, but I ain't crazy.
Yeah, I've heard they're okay. I mean, all right, guys, freshwater drum, about right at a pound. Nothing to brag about by any means, but dang it. Glad my camera's waterproof. Way. Hey. Yep. He's not too terrible, I guess.
No?
Not big enough to really, for you to want, I wouldn't think.
Not.
Have to be about twice that size.
That size, though.
Yeah. If you got about 100 of them, I guess.
I went fishing, used to go fishing with Dad. He wouldn't let throw nothing back.
Huh. Oh, gosh. Boy, it ain't quitting on that damn rain, is it?
Still biting.
I know it. We didn't really, I didn't catch a damn thing for the first 2 hours. She did, but I couldn't. I'm gonna put a big old glob on here. I'm trying to get another 12-inch crappie. Yep. Oh boy, holy cow. Get the dip net, get the dip net. Oh, he's in the weeds. Oh no. He went clear in those weeds.
Well, maybe he'll come out.
Yeah, I better let go, see if he's in the weeds.
Is he still on?
It's about a 4-pound bass.
Is he still on?
Uh-oh, I don't think so. Oh man, he would be making some kind of commotion, wouldn't he?
You'd think.
It got off. 4-pound bass.
I haven't seen
Surely he would be moving, doing something. I can't pull. He's got me where I'm gonna have to get my brake off. He got clear off, I think.
He did too.
Gosh.
He ought to roll there or something.
Yeah, he would be making some kind of. Man, that really hurts. That would have been my fish of the day for. That was something else right there. No, I'm just moving it, letting that current grab it. That may have been what them big swirls was earlier. Yep. Not terrible, but not the one I'm after. Bluegill. I guess all the crappie left. Goodness.
She eat fish.
Oh yeah. Yeah, she likes to keep them more than I do. I just don't, by the time I get home, I'm usually so tired it's the last thing I want to do.
This is the right kind.
Yeah, now walleye, I'll keep every walleye if they're eatable.
What's the biggest walleye you've caught?
7 pounds. Well, I got friends that have caught 10s and 11s that make mine look tiny.
How big do they get?
I've heard of a 14 coming out of the current river. It's just unreal to even imagine the belly on that thing, especially if it's a female, right when they got full of eggs and stuff. Oh, it's a bullhead. Bullhead? No, it's a channel cat. I thought it was one of them bullheads.
Nice little channel.
Yeah, man. catching fish in the pouring rain, guys.
That's good eating size.
Yeah, you want it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I give.
Want him.
No, we don't want it. I give it to you. Yeah.
I'll put him over here in my cooler.
Oh, okay. Yeah, he'll eat up. I didn't even know he was on there. I can't see my line. It's raining so hard, and this is that moss green colored line.
Just drop him in there.
You can't see. Well, that's a nice crappie. See, that's where I'm talking about. I'm surprised I didn't catch any right there behind that bush.
Is my lights on?
Yeah. Oh, crap. I never even noticed until you said something.
Oh, heck.
Uh-oh.
It's a bad for crappie.
Man. I ended up doing good at the end of the day. Maybe the rain kind of made him bite. You know what? Boy, he's got something wrong with his gills hanging out. Huh. I didn't do that because I could barely got him hooked in the. Oh my!
Hung him before the
yeah, boy, if I would have let the tension off of that, he would have felt it wasn't even penetrated. Gosh. You can have him too. He's 12 inches is the legal. Yeah, as long as he's 12. All right, guys, 12-inch largemouth.
Did you measure him?
No, I can though. I'm going to say he's right at 12 anyway. It's kind of iffy. He might be only 11 and a half. My battery's about to go dead on that camera. I keep wanting to go home, but now I just keep wanting to stay because you never know. If I can get into some more of them crappie. 13.
Yeah.
No, right at 12 and a half.
Yeah.
You can have him too if you want him. I know I ain't.
Well, if I clean a couple, clean another one.
You're kind of doing me good because that's bad. Me and her always swear up and down if you're throwing the fish right back where you're catching them, it's not good.
Right.